Welcome back to day 18 of 30 Days to Better Hearing. Today we're stepping up our game by diving into more advanced cleaning techniques for your hearing aids. We've covered the basics of daily maintenance, but now it's time to focus on keeping your hearing aids in top condition over the long term. This includes changing filters and dealing with tubes, depending on the types of hearing aids you have. Filters play a crucial role in keeping your hearing aids free from wax and debris, ensuring clear sound quality. Now, while manufacturers often suggest changing these filters every 4 weeks, I recommend a more practical approach. Change your filters when you notice your hearing aids start to sound a little bit dull, or you can see that they're visibly blocked. This proactive approach ensures your hearing aids remain clear and fully functional, tailored to your usage and environment. For those of you with hearing aids that have tubes instead of filters, it's important to keep these tubes clean for optimal performance. Now, tubes can collect moisture and wax over time, which can affect the quality of the sound. Gently cleaning these tubes with a cleaning tool provided by your audiologist can help maintain their clarity. If the tubes become hard or discoloured, it might be time to replace them. Now, changing filters or tubes might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes a simple part of your hearing aid routine. Most hearing aids come with instructions on how to perform these tasks safely. If you're unsure or need hands-on demonstration, your audiologist is there to help. They can show you the correct way to change filters or clean tubes, ensuring you feel confident in maintaining your own hearing aids. Now remember, taking care of your hearing aids is taking care of your hearing. Advanced cleaning techniques like changing filters when needed, rather than on a rigid schedule, and keeping tubes clear of wax and moisture, ensure your devices work effectively for you every day. Thank you for joining me today on this one. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you tomorrow.